Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn yourself into a wizard from a magic book using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first you're going to go to Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then go to the home menu, and you're going to add your prompt here. Oops, wait. Okay, this is the prompt I'm gonna use. You can also use my prompt, guys, or you can modify it and then upload your photo. I'm going to choose random photo from my device. Okay, once you upload it, you can submit the photo and also the prompt to AI, and then the AI will generate some photos for you. Alright, done guys, and these are the results. Oh my god, that's so cool. And I'm going to choose one of them. I'm gonna go with this one, guys, and then we can click on download if we want to download the photo. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate here, and the AI will regenerate some photos for you. Okay guys, and that's how you can turn yourself into a wizard from magic book and Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. If you want to try it yourself, just go to my YouTube description and you can click the join link there. Then don't forget to join the Pippit AI for more video and photo creating. Okay guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching.